Yo, what's going on, everybody? So what I'm going to be showing you guys is a cool little strategy that I recently started utilizing, basically where we utilize voiceovers to create captivating hooks, to then test those captivating hooks in a very effective manner, and then double down on the ones that are working. So this strategy is initially going to entail you writing a script. The way I like to write scripts is always starting off with some type of a hook. So for example, here you can see, have you ever lost a furry friend? Here's another hook. I can't stop crying after receiving this ring. And then this one, this ring brought me to tears. Now here's what's crazy. These three hooks, I didn't write. I wrote this one. So based off of this script right here, I was able to utilize this script, figure out that this script is working by testing it. And now when I figured out this script is working, I was able to create 3 other variations that now I'm going to be testing. So this is essentially what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about how can you take a piece of content that you come up with, how can you test that piece of content, and then how can you create variations of that piece of content. First thing you want to do is obviously create the first piece of content. This can be just through trial and error, trying out different hooks, trying out different body pieces. Ideally, you want to have a captivating hook in whatever niche you're in, with the angle that you're trying to hit. So you can see here we're trying to hit the sad angle. And yeah, this is really just a really sad piece of content if you think about it. So this ring just made me cry. It's a personalized ring with my dog's name engraved on it. Now every time I look down, I see all the memories and smiles I shared with my furry best friend. Personalize yours with your dog's name and carry them everywhere you go. So depending on what your angle is, you want to sit down and craft a script that then you can use. Either you can record the voiceover yourself, or you can use AI to record. This is now the second part of the strategy. Then I talked a little bit about it already earlier on, but really the strategy has been absolutely killing it for me in the last couple of days. If we hop over to the Facebook account, let me look at yesterday. Actually, if we look at and I also dropped this screenshot before, so like this piece of content right here is just destroying it. And yeah, like you guys already saw this piece of content, but it's absolutely destroying it.
This ring just made me cry.
This is all with AI, dude. So the strategy is going to be as follows. You take an idea, right? So you have your genius idea. We're gonna pretend this is an idea. Woo! You're gonna take that idea, and now you're going to create an AI voiceover with that idea. Then you're going to take that AI voiceover and you're going to test that AI voiceover on whatever platform, right? This works on every single platform. Wherever you want to test it, you can test it. I'm personally testing all of these both on Facebook, and I'm also testing them on TikTok. So those are the 2 platforms that I'm testing them on. Now, as the strategy continues, we're going to be taking the pieces of content that are performing. We're going to be copying those scripts, and we're essentially going to be telling Chat GPT to create more versions of those scripts. So check this out. So the prompt that I used, I don't know what that is. The prompt that I use is, please rewrite this video voiceover. The first sentence needs to be a scroll stopper. This ring just made me cry. It's a personalized ring with my dog's name laser engraved in it. Now every time I look at that, so I just plop in the script there. Now what's really neat is you can continue to generate responses over and over and over. So if I click generate response, you can see it's going to do another one with the new scroll stopper. Keep your furry friend's memory alive with puppering. Let's do another one. Want to keep your furry best friend's memory alive? Okay, this one's all right. Let's do another one. Missing your furry best friend. Beautiful hook, right? So now this is now another idea for me. So I can now take this idea, copy it, go over to my script, paste this in here. Now this is an idea that I can potentially be working with. So really this here is a strategy. I wanted to drop this on you guys so you guys can start thinking about this, since this is going to be a strategy that I'm going to be utilizing personally in our media buying. But yeah, I wanted to drop this video on you so you guys can start thinking about this. Maybe start playing with some hook ideas, start playing with some script ideas, start throwing it into GPT. And then this spreadsheet here, I'm going to share with everybody probably in this upcoming week. I just need to clean this up, make this just accessible to everybody since it is a little bit more intensive with all of these being pulled from like data values. But I'm going to make a video on how to set this up. I'm going to share this with everybody. So all you guys are going to have access to all the tools that I created. So yeah, this is just a little bit of the value that I'm going to be dropping here today. Yeah, hopefully you guys find this valuable. Take it easy.